Hi, thank you for watching this video. Today I want to tell you about XYO Network. XYO Network aimed to bring blockchain technology to the real world with a proof of location network. Find out how it works today in my review. What is XYO Network? XYO Network, found online at XYO.network, is blockchain first proof of location Oracle network. The goal of XYO network is to decentralize location relevant trade market. XYO network website claims that location relevant trade markets are 11 trillion dollars industry, 3 times larger than the entire e-commerce industry. How does XYO network proof of location Oracle blockchain works? XYO network aims to take advantages location verifying beacons that are already in place worldwide. XYO network wants to leverage this network in order to decentralize location relevant services. In other words, you can sell location data online to support various services that rely on location data. XYO Network website explains that there are already over 1 million location verifying beacons in their network today, with more added to the XYO network every day. The world is becoming more and more reliant on location data. Self-driving vehicles, package delivery and drones, and smart cities will continue to require location data. There is a need for a decentralized system capable of taking location data from an array of different location tracking devices. XYO Network sees itself as the solution to that problem. It facilitates trustless location data using an ecosystem of crypto location technologies and protocols. Everything in the world is defined by their XYZ coordinates. Physical objects cannot leave that place. Everything from jewelry to cars to people can be tracked using these coordinates. The T coordinates refers to time. As people travel along their T coordinate, they interact with one another to create that's called metadata. Metadata. Two peoples might hold a conversation, for example. The conversation serves as a record of that interaction. Here is how XYO Network explains that happens next. The conversation is a record of the interaction. In the case of the XYO network, we are taking the interaction as the time signature between these two parties, two people taking a selfie, making two copies of the selfie, signing both of them, and each taking one. That metadata which was generated is now also a permanent link between the two entities. This is a core protocol that underlines the XYO network's platform, and it's covered in detail later. The end result is a decentralized cryptographic location network built for the work of tomorrow. Let's see the use cases for XYO network here. Users can interact with XYO network in a number of different ways, including through the use of smart contracts. Users can use smart contracts to determine if an object is at a specific XYO coordinate. If it is at that coordinate, then the smart contracts can execute certain functions based on this information. On proposed use cases is an e-commerce company that offers payment upon delivery to certain premium customers. In order to offer this service, the e-commerce company needs to use the XYO network to write smart contracts. The network will track the location of the package throughout the supply chain, from the warehouse shelf to the shipping courier, taking it all the way into the consumer's house and every location in between. This could allow e-commerce retailers and websites to verify in a trustless way that the package not only appeared on the customer's doorstep, but it's also safety inside the customer's home. Once the package is safely inside the customer's home, the payment is released. Through this system, a customer can only pay for goods after they received those goods. And e-commerce devices can provide this service without compromising security. XYO network features. XYO network emphasizes all of the following features: decentralized verification does not involve any large fee-based corporations or institutions. The network runs on a completely transparent and autonomous system. The system is free to use, open source, and has no entrance barriers for fair competition. Trustless power and trust in is shared between XYO network participants. It is not concentrated in the same centralized entity. And identityless. Location data is shared anonymously to protect the privacy and safety of participants on the network. Proof of origin. Proof of origin is the key to verifying that ledger flowing into the XYO network are valid. It relies on the concept of a bound witness, which we'll talk about. It also uses transient key chaining in order to make it possible to falsify the chain of origin for data. All oracles are verified using an origin chain score. XYO tokens. XYO tokens are used to incentivize desired behavior on the network. They can be thought as the gas needed to interface with the real world in order to verify the XYO coordinate of a specific object. Now, who is behind the XYO network? XYO network is being developed by a company named XYO. That company that has reportedly been developing the technologies behind the platform. So for several years, XYO has already built one of the largest networks of Bluetooth and GPS beacons in the world. They released GPS tracking technologies like the XYO GPS, the world's first hybrid GPS and Bluetooth device capable of reporting its location from anywhere in the world where cell and GPS data is available. They have also released the CI4 devices. XYO Network aims to launch its main network in 2018. The token sale for XYO token is expected to conclude on 20th May. XYO network already has an existing network of location tracking devices, including hybrid Bluetooth and GPS devices capable of tracking location anywhere in the world. Okay, thank you for watching video. Bye.